Yeah, welcome back. Now I would like to request our librarian, Dr. Vinod Kumar, to express his views.
Thank you, madam. Myself, Vinod Kumar, librarian of the college, and on behalf of all library staff, dear student, I welcome to all of you. Detailed information regarding library available on college website. You all are requested to please visit library section on college websites. I want to also inform you that college library become a member of Enlist program to access e-resources. And for access e-resources, you will require user ID and password. So you are requested to please send detail, email, telephone number, all available on website like in library sections. For any query, please email us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for the insights. Next, I would like to request Dr. Kamaljeet Singh, convener for BA program, to welcome the fresh batch. Dr. Kamaljeet Singh.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kamaljeet from and also I am convener of BA program. रखना है कि बीए प्रोग्राम के अंदर सब्जेक्ट्स आएंगे जो भी आपके नॉलेज, और उसमें आपको हिंदी इंग्लिश कोशिश करेंगे आपके साथ हम लोग, तो उसमें आपको बताया जाएगा। और आपके 5th और 6th सेमेस्टर में जीई का ऑप्शन आएगा, और आपके पास 4th एंड 5th एंड 6th और 4th 5th 6th एंड 3rd ऑल्सो सेक का पेपर होगा, जो कि उसके भी चॉइस आपके पास आएगा। तो आपको बहुत जल्दी हम लोग ब्रीफ करेंगे। फिलहाल आपको जो भी टीचर्स आपके रिस्पेक्टिव टीचर से आपको पढ़ाएंगे, तो उनका लिंक आपके पास आ जाएगा, जो कि मैं उनके साथ शेयर कर लूंगा। और डेफिनेटली लास्ट टाइम भी हमने बीए प्रोग्राम का 2 पार्ट्स में ओरिएंटेशन किया था, क्योंकि आपके स्टूडेंट्स की तादाद जो है बहुत ज्यादा है। तो आपके साथ डेफिनेटली डिटेल में हम लोग उसमें बात करेंगे। अभी के लिए यही है कि बेस्ट विशेस आपके लिए, और ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर न्यू जर्नी, और सब अच्छे से करिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much, sir. Next, I would like to request Dr. Bibek Rajat to welcome the freshers.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. And I welcome all the freshers, first year students on behalf of economics department. And we will have certainly a separate orientation program for economics honors students on 22nd at 12:30. I think that's enough. Thank you so much, and I welcome to all the students who are opting BA economics in BA program, and all the students of all other courses on the behalf of the economics department. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Dr. Abu Zahir Rabbani to present his views. Dr. Abu Zahir Rabbani.
हेलो।
Yes, sir. Audible है।
आवाज मिल रही है?
Yes, sir.
सबको आदाब अर्ज है और तमाम स्टूडेंट्स का वेलकम है। उर्दू डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से मैं अबू ज़हीर रब्बानी बोल रहा हूँ। और उर्दू डिपार्टमेंट का वजूद ऑनर्स पेपर का 2017 में हुआ, और ये हमारा चौथा बैच शुरू हो रहा है इस साल से। उसके पहले उर्दू जब से दयाल सिंह कॉलेज कायम है उस वक्त से उर्दू एज अ सब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन बीए प्रोग्राम में एक पेपर की हैसियत से, लेकिन अब बज़ाब्ते उर्दू ऑनर्स है। और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि तमाम स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही लगन और शौक के साथ जिस तरह से अच्छा करते आए हैं करेंगे। लास्ट ईयर उर्दू डिपार्टमेंट पूरे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में टॉप किया उर्दू का स्टूडेंट्स, और उसे गोल्ड मेडल मिला एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर की तरफ से। तो मैं आने वाले स्टूडेंट से भी यही चाहूँगा कि वह शौक और ज़ौक के साथ पढ़ाई करें और दयाल सिंह कॉलेज का नाम खुद अपना और पूरे अपने खानदान का नाम, अपने मुल्क का नाम रोशन करें। हमारे यहाँ एक उर्दू सोसाइटी भी है। उस सोसाइटी के तहत बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स भी होते हैं, लेकिन पिछले 2 साल से कोविड की वजह से मुतासिर हुआ है। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि कोविड का खात्मा होने के बाद फिर से नए सिरे से हम उस एक्टिविटी को शुरू करेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया के साथ।
शुक्रिया सर। Next, I would like to request Dr. Braj Singh to express his views. Sir, you are on mute. Sir, you are on mute.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah, I'm Dr. B.B. Singh. In behalf of Chemistry Department, I would like to congratulate you for getting admission in Delhi University, that too in Dayal Singh College. To get admission in Delhi University is a matter of proud in our country, and that too, Dayal Singh College, that matters a lot. Chemistry department is one of the most dynamic department of Dayal Singh College. It consists of 22 faculty members and 16 non-teaching staff. Out of 22 faculty members, there are 7 professors, 7 associate professors, and remaining are assistant professors. Okay. The faculty of chemistry department are highly cooperative and students friendly. Dr. A.K. Wagi, the senior most faculty of the Dayal Singh College, he is teacher in charge of the chemistry department. He is teacher's leader as well. And he is very much cooperative to the students. At the time of need, at the time of requirement, a student can come to any teacher of the chemistry department. They are very much helpful. Apart from the faculty of the chemistry department, myself is also associated with help desk, and many more of you may be acquainted with me because there might have been a lot of interactions during admission process at the time of requirement with the many more of the EU. Apart from that one, I'm also associated with the student advisory committee, and students can contact me at the time of requirement. Our chemistry department is well known to the university. The most of the students of the chemistry department who get admission and graduated from this college used to get admission in most of the prominent IITs at master's level and at Delhi University as well. Last year, 14 students got selected in IITs for admission. Last year also, 8 students got selected in IIT admission, different IIT admission, including IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, and IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee. And almost 40 to 60% of students get admission at master's level. Apart from academic activities, students have opportunity to work in the field of society, in the field of development of the country. There is one chemical society which is known as Rasayanika, which is important, and that's going to be helpful for students to nurture talent already inherent in them, apart from academic activity, including social work and other student-related activity. They can be associated too. With these words, once again, I would like to congratulate you for getting admission, and your parents also for preparing you to get admission in Delhi University and Dayal Singh College. Chemistry honors was started long back. It was almost 3 years, 3 decades back. And this is going to have a prominent academic space in our country. Anyway, once again, congratulations. And with these words, I would like to stop my words over here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Lastly, I would like to request Professor Ravinder Singh ji to express his views. Dr. Ravinder from Punjabi department. I think he's not there in the meeting. So with that, we come to an end of the orientation program. Thank you all very much for the valuable information. Thank you to all the conveners and teacher in charges who have joined us today for providing valuable information to the students, which was actually the purpose of this orientation program. I am sure students are a little acquainted with the college, teacher in charges, and are aware of how to look into the timetables, their subject selections at the end of this program. Once again, I wholeheartedly welcome all the freshers to Dayal Singh College. Again, it's a gentle reminder to all the students to please keep checking the college websites for regular updates and their registered email IDs with us. Your classes are going to begin from 22nd of November. Individual teachers, they are going to contact you in their respective manner through the registered email IDs that you have provided to the college. So kindly keep an eye on your email IDs and on the college website for any further updates. Lastly, the links for the detailed orientation programs by the different departments, few of them have already been uploaded on the college website, and few departments might be sharing the link very soon. So kindly keep an eye on the college website, because that is the only medium through which we can communicate in an online semester. So happy learning from all of us here at Dayal Singh College. Thank you for joining in. Stay safe, students. Thank you.